Welcome to Vispa's video tutorial. I'm Daniel, a computerized voice that will guide you through this tutorial. Feel free to pause the video as you follow the steps. This video explains how to factory reset your Netis router. Let's get started. We always recommend connecting your computer to the router using a network cable rather than attempting this procedure using wireless, as once the router resets, your computer will disconnect from the wireless network. Disconnect all cables except the cable that connects your computer, which should be plugged into any of the yellow sockets and not the blue one. There are two ways to factory reset your router. Let's look at the first method. If you are able to access the admin web page of your Netis router, you can reset by logging in and clicking factory reset as follows. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to 192.168.1.1 and log in with the username and password. The default username is guest and the default password is guest. If you have newer firmware, the password may be guest at sign and the last 4 digits of the MAC number displayed on the back label, for example guest at D285. Once logged in, click Maintenance from the top right menu bar, then choose Backup Restore from the left-hand menu. Click the Reset button next to Reset Settings to default, then Confirm. Your router will now factory reset itself and count down to completion. Under no circumstances remove the power during this process. Once the countdown has finished and your router has reset, you may log in again and continue to set up your internet connection and wireless network. See our other tutorial videos on how to do this. Now let's look at the second method of resetting your Netis router. This is usually the method used if you do not know the username and password to log in, or you cannot log in for any other reason. You will need a paperclip to carry out this procedure. As in the first method, remove all the cables with the exception of your computer, which should be connected into the yellow socket, and also the power jack. Power off your router by pressing the power button on the side. On the back of the router, locate the reset pin hole. It may have a red sticker on warning you it will erase the config if pressed. While the power is off, insert a paperclip and feel the button click down. Hold the button down in power on the router using the button on the side. Hold in the pin firmly and count to 15 seconds. You will notice all the lights on the front illuminate, and after 10 to 15 seconds start to go out. You can now release the paperclip. Allow 30 seconds for your router to complete booting and you will now be able to log in the web admin page using the default username and password. Congratulations, you have learned how to reset your router using 2 methods. We hope this video tutorial has been informative. Thank you for watching.